Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn class 9th foundation subject chemistry. Our chapter is chapter number 1 atomic structure and this is part 13. In this part we are going to learn element from 1 to 30 with their symbol, their atomic number, mass number and number of neutrons present in them. So let's start. Our first element is hydrogen. Hydrogen. Second is helium. Third is lithium. Fourth one is beryllium. And fifth one is boron. In beryllium there is double L, sorry. Beryllium, boron. Sixth one is carbon. Then nitrogen. Eighth is oxygen. Ninth is fluorine. 10th one is neon. Now symbols. Symbol of hydrogen is H, symbol of helium is He, symbol of lithium is Li, symbol of beryllium is Be, symbol of boron is B, symbol of carbon is C, symbol of nitrogen is N, symbol of oxygen is O, symbol of fluorine is F, and symbol of neon is Ne. Then it comes the atomic number. Hydrogen's atomic number is 1, helium's atomic number is 2, lithium's atomic number is 3, beryllium's atomic number is 4, boron's atomic number is 5, carbon's atomic number is 6, nitrogen's atomic number is 7, oxygen's atomic number is 8, fluorine's atomic number is 9 and neon's atomic number is 10. Now mass number. Mass number of hydrogen is 1, mass number of helium is 4, mass number of lithium is 7, mass number of beryllium is 9, mass number of boron is 11, mass number of carbon is 12, mass number of nitrogen is 14, mass number of oxygen is 16, mass number of fluorine is 19 and mass number of neon is 20. You have to remember this. And the value of neutron. Neutron is mass number minus atomic number. So neutron is mass number of hydrogen is 1 and minus the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. That is 0. Then mass number of helium is neutron number. Neutron number is mass number minus atomic number. Helium's mass number is 4 and atomic number is 2. So the neutrons of helium is 2. Neutrons of lithium is 4. Neutrons of beryllium is 5. Neutrons of boron is 11 minus 5, that is 6. Neutrons of carbon is 12 minus 6, that is 6. Then neutrons of nitrogen is 14 minus 7, that is 7. Neutrons of oxygen is 16 minus 8, that is 8. Neutrons of fluorine is 19 minus 9, that is 10. Neutrons of neon is 20 minus 10, that is 10. Over here, the same pairs of neutrons is this, this 6 and 6, this are the same pairs, and 10 and 10. Remember this same pairs. According to this, we are going to learn new concept in further parts of this chapter. Now let's move towards the other elements from 11 to 20. So the 11th element is sodium. 12th element is magnesium. 13th element is aluminium. 14th element is silicon. 15th element is phosphorus. 16th element is sulfur. 17th element is chlorine. 18th element is argon. 19th element is potassium. 20th element is calcium. Now, symbol of sodium is Na because it is derived from sodium's Latin word, that is natrium. Symbol of magnesium is Mg. Symbol of aluminium is Al. Symbol of silicon is Si. Symbol of phosphorus is P. Symbol of sulfur is S. Symbol of chlorine is Cl. Symbol of argon is Ar. Symbol of potassium is K because it's derived from Latin word kalium. Symbol of calcium is Ca. Now, the atomic number of sodium is 11. Atomic number of magnesium is 12. Atomic number is aluminium is 13. Atomic number of silicon is 14. Atomic number of phosphorus is 15. Atomic number of sulfur is 16. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. Atomic number of argon is 18. Atomic number of potassium is 19. Atomic number of calcium is 20. The mass number of sodium is 23. Mass number of magnesium is 24. Mass number of aluminium is 27. Mass number of silicon is 28. Mass number of phosphorus is 31. Mass number of sulfur is 32. Mass number of chlorine is 35.5. Mass number of argon is 40. Mass number of potassium is 39. Mass number of calcium is 40. These are the mass numbers. Now the 11th to 12th, 20th elements neutron number. Now sodium's neutron number is 23 minus 11, that is 23 minus 11 is 12. Then magnesium's is 24 minus 12, that is 12. Aluminium's is 27 minus 13, that is 14. Silicon's is 28 minus 14 is equal to 14. Phosphorus is 31 minus 15, that is 16. Then sulfur is 32 minus 16, that is 16. Then chlorine's is 35.5 minus 17, that is 18.5. 40 minus 18 is of argon, and that is 22. 39 minus 19 is of potassium, and that is 20. 40 minus 20 is of calcium, and that is also 20. Now the same neutron number is of neutron number of sodium and magnesium, that is 12. Then 14, that is of aluminum and silicon. Then 16, that is of sulfur and phosphorus and sulfur. Then 20 and 20, this is of potassium and calcium. Now let's move towards the 21 to 30th elements. 21st element is scandium. 21st element is scandium. 22nd element is titanium. 23rd element is vanadium. 24th element is chromium. 25th element is manganese. 26th element is iron. 27th element is cobalt. 28th is nickel. 29th is copper. And 30th is zinc. Symbol of scandium is Sc. Symbol of titanium is Ti. Symbol of vanadium is V. Symbol of chromium is Cr. Symbol of manganese is Mn. Symbol of iron is Fe because it is derived from Latin word ferrum. Cobalt is Co. Nickel is Ni. Copper is Cu because it is derived from Latin word cuprum. Zinc is Zn. Atomic number of scandium is 21. Atomic number of titanium is 22. Atomic number of vanadium is 23. Atomic number of chromium is 24. Atomic number of manganese is 25. Atomic number of iron is 26. Atomic number of cobalt is 27. Atomic number of nickel is 28. Atomic number of copper is 29. Atomic number of zinc is 30. Mass number of scandium is 45. Mass number of titanium is 48. Mass number of vanadium is 51. Mass number of chromium is 52. Mass number of manganese is 55. Mass number of iron is 56. Mass number of cobalt is 59. And mass number of nickel is 59 again, and the mass number of copper is 63.5, and mass number of zinc is 65. These are the mass number. Now the neutron number of scandium is 45 minus 21, that is 24. Mass number of titanium is 48 minus 22, that is 26. Mass number of vanadium is 51 minus 23, that is 28. Mass number of mass number of chromium is 52 minus 24, that is 28. Mass number of manganese is 55 minus 25, and that is 30. Mass number of iron is 56 minus 26, that is again 30. Mass number of mass number of cobalt is 59 minus 27, that is 32. Mass number of nickel is 59 minus 28, that is 31. Mass number of copper is 63.5 minus 29, that is 34.5. Mass number of zinc is 65 minus 30, and that is 35. Clear? Till this there is 1 to 30 elements with their symbol, with their mass number, atomic number, and their neutron numbers. These similar are 28, that is vanadium and chromium. Then 30, that is manganese and iron. This both. So you just have to see that from starting from element 1 to element 30, how many pairs we have made like this. So first we made the pair of boron and carbon, then fluorine and neon, then sodium and magnesium, then aluminium and silicon, then magnesium and aluminium, First was sodium and magnesium, then aluminium and silicon, then phosphorus and sulfur, then potassium and calcium, then vanadium and chromium, and last one was manganese and iron. So total there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pairs. Total 8 pairs were there. And just remember that there were 8 pairs of similar neutron numbers. This concept we'll learn in further part, that what was the use of similar neutron number. I hope you've understood till this part 13. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 7th and 8th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in part 14.